What's up guys, Pedro here. And on this video, I'm going to show you the 3 things I had to do to get my push mower to start after sitting for 3 years. Coming up right after this. Hey guys, if we're just meeting, my name is Pedro. And on this channel, we like to share recipes from our family and friends. We also like to do a lot of DIY videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I did was remove the old spark plug. And that requires a 5/8 deep well socket. It's located in the front of the lawnmower. I'll just break it loose. Socket. Yep, they're coming. Yeah, it looks pretty bad. Okay, so I'm replacing it with a RC12YC Champion brand. I'm sure there's other brands, but this is the one that I chose. Okay, I put it in hand tight first, then I take my ratchet. Now you don't want to over tighten this. You just want to snug it up. Just snug it up. Do not over tighten that, it'll break, you'll break it off. The next thing I did was replace the air filter. You just remove this right here. Actually, it doesn't come completely off, it just unscrews. And you get it loose, and the cover comes right off. I've already replaced this filter. As you can see, it's brand new. The old one was nasty. Ordered this off of Amazon.com. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Now to get to the carburetor, you need to remove these 2 bolts right here. American Standard, they're 5/16. Metric, they're 8 millimeters. I said you use either standard 5/16 socket or use 8 millimeter metric. This hose comes off of here, right there. Those 2 there. You got your carburetor right here. And careful with this gasket right here, or you'll have to get another one. Okay, now you could take the carburetor off with these 2 bolts right here and here, and clean it up real good. Soak it maybe, but all I'm going to do is get some carburetor cleaner and spray it inside here, and put everything back together, and hopefully she'll start up. So I just went and bought some Gum Out Jet Spray Carbon Choke Cleaner and just sprayed it in the carburetor. Okay, so all I did was spray some carb cleaner in here, a pretty good amount in here. You could take the whole carb off and soak it, or spray it down real good and clean it real good. I've just tried spraying it because I don't think it's in that bad a shape. So I'm gonna, I just sprayed it right in here, and I'm gonna put everything back together and try to crank it back up. Okay, so hook the hose back up. Don't forget to hook the hose back up. And when you put this back on, don't mess up the gasket. There's a gasket on here. Just snug it up, don't get it too tight. Get your cover back on. Snug that back on. Now let's try to start it. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.